Hi, my name is Claire Shipley, and this is my introduction screencast. So, a little bit about me, some personal background. Again, my name is Claire Shipley. I'm 23 years old. I'm from Hockessin, Delaware. I have a yellow lab. His name is Tucker. He's right down here swimming in the pool. I'm also getting married this June, so in a few short months, to my fiance right here. His name is Rich. And then some of my hobbies include cooking. I love watching crime documentaries on Netflix. And then I also love going to the beach here. I was in Naples, Florida. I visited last summer. That's where my dad currently lives. A little bit about my professional background. So last spring, I graduated with my bachelor's in elementary education from Wilmington University. Last year, I participated in the year-long residency program for my entire senior year of my bachelor's, which was fantastic. I did that at Ritchie Elementary School in a second grade classroom. I'm currently working on my master's in applied technology. And then right now, this is my first year teaching second grade independently at Ritchie Elementary School. And I was fortunate enough to teach in the same class that I did during my residency. My mentor left, and I was able to take over her classroom. So now in regards to this class, so why am I taking this course? The main reason I'm taking this course is because it's a requirement for the degree program I'm in. But I do hope to learn a few things from this course and apply them into my own career. So two main things I hope to learn from this course are how to implement internet safety. So I would like to learn how to implement internet safety myself, and then even possibly learn how to teach my kids, my students, to implement internet safety, especially now that they're using the internet and their Chromebooks and iPads and all that sort of stuff more frequently. They should know how to do so safely. And then the second thing I hope to learn from this course is digital citizenship. So after looking through the syllabus, I noticed a lot of topics revolving around digital citizenship, and I'm not entirely sure what that term means, and I hope to learn what that means and all of the things surrounding that. And that is my introduction screencast, so thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your semester.